Hello friends, welcome to Easy Maths tutorial. Our today's topic is Rational Number, Chapter 1.1, Class 8 CBSE. So, we are starting today the Chapter 1. First question, using appropriate properties, find minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So, as we have to use the property, we will see first what type of property can we use in this question so that it can be solved easily. So, last day in the previous video we have discussed clearly the different types of properties of rational number, that is commutative property, closure property, associative property and distributive property. So, which will be fit for this question to solve easily. Now, here in the question we are seeing 3 by 5 is common in both the places. Here minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So, we shall take them nearer and we will take the 5 by 2 in the last position. So, taking together the two terms nearer, we have used commutative property by changing the position of the numbers, such as commutative property we have discussed in the previous video, that a plus b equal to b plus a. If a and b are two rational numbers, then a plus b will be equal to b plus a. That is, if we change the position of the numbers, there will be no change in their values. So, for example, if we add 2 plus 3, then it will be equal to 5. Again, if we add 3 plus 2, it will be equal to also 5. So, it will be valid for rational numbers also. So, we are using here commutative property by changing the position of the numbers. Now, let us start for next step. Here, we are taking common 3 by 5 from both the numbers. So, we are taking out minus 3 by 5 as common from these two numbers. So, it will be only 3 by 5 here, 2 by 3 here, and as we have taken the negative sign out, so it will be plus 2 by 3, and here also negative 3 by 5 is taken out, so it will be only 1 by 6 inside the bracket, and 5 by 2 will be taken later. Let it be as it is. Now, taking 3 by 5 outside the bracket, we will go to the bracket portion first. So, 3 and 6 LCM will be 6 and 3 goes to 6 2 times. So, 2 2s are 4. Again 6 goes to 6 1 times. So, 1 1s will be 1 plus 5 by 2. Here another thing, first we have used the commutative property by rearranging the numbers in the different places. Now, when we are taking the common numbers out of the two numbers, here we have done again distributive property. So, what is distributive property? You could remember a into b plus c will be equal to ab plus ac. So, similar is the case if we multiply a group of number by a single number, then this means bracket means if there is no sign, plus, minus, multiplication or division, then it will be multiplication. So here we will multiply b plus c by a. So first we will multiply the first number, a into b is ab, then plus sign, then b, a into c, it will be ac. So similar is the case we have done here using distributive property. 3 by 5 is just like a, and b plus c, let us take these two numbers. So it will be first 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So here it is just like this portion and this portion. Here we have this portion is just like 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So we are changing it to a into b plus c by taking out the a common from these two numbers, and then within bracket b plus c. Now next, here in this step, is it clear to you? I hope you will remember this portion as you have clearly mentioned in the previous videos, and now also I have explained again. So we are using here distributive property, and now in the bracket what happened? Here LCM is taken as 6 and 3 2s are 6, so 2 2s are 4 and 6 1 is 6, so 1 1s are 1, plus 5 by 2. Now minus 3 by 5 outside the bracket, and inside the bracket 4 plus 1, it will be 5, and LCM will be 6. So here we are again finding 5 and 5 common here. Here it is in the denominator and here it is in the numerator, so we can cancel each other. So 5 5 will cancel each other, it will be 1, 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, and again 3 and 6. If we divide by 3 both the terms, then 3 1 is 3 and 3 2s are 6, and here it is 5 by 2. Now it is minus 1, so it will be 1 1 1 1 and sign is minus, and 1 2 are 2, plus 5 by 2. Now again LCM will be 2 and it will be minus 1 plus 5. As the denominators are common, so we will add the number in the numerator easily, and here 5 is bigger number and it is positive, so we will subtract 1 from 5, it will be 4 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1 is 2, so it will be 2 by 1 or only 2. So this is our answer for this question. So here we have used commutative property in the first step by rearranging the position, and in the second case we are using distributive property by taking the numbers AB plus AC to A into B plus C. That is, these two numbers are AB plus AC and we have taken it to A into B plus C. So our answer is 2. Thank you. this is the end of my video, and we go to the next video for the next question. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the next portion of the video. Thank you.